Yokohama. When we develop a new tyre, you are always in our focus. The all-new Yokohama ADVAN Sport V107 delivers cutting-edge technology for road and track. Matrix body ply structure improves precision in steering without compromising comfort. The asymmetric tread design strengthens the wet and dry performance. The ADVAN Sport V107's high rigidity, wide shoulder significantly improves pattern rigidity at ultra-high speeds and realizes powerful grip in the dry. The newly shaped silent sides significantly suppress external vehicle noise. Also, our all-new Yokohama ADVAN Sport V107 was developed on the Nurburgring Nordschleife. The contact shape delivers an expanded road contact area that offers stronger grip. The racing DNA is an integral part of all ADVAN Sport tyres. Tread pattern with 3+1 straight grooves provide exceptional hydroplaning resistance at high speeds. The special new compound enhances wet grip performance through ultra micro silica plus silica dispersed material. The premium design of the new ADVAN Sport V107, crafted by Yokohama, also enhances car design and beauty just as much as functionality. The new Yokohama ADVAN Sport V107, the perfect combination of racetrack and road.